don't know.
Why is it calling?
Maybe hungry. Stop.
What? Why is it walking? Baba. Why is it walking?
To get in the water.
Ah. Ah. Is it gonna come up here? Baba.
Yeah.
Is it gonna come up here?
Yeah.
Baba. Is it?
No.
Then what is he trying to do?
It's
Baba.
swimming, right?
Oh, but what is he trying to do? Baba.
Yeah.
What is he trying to do?
Swimming.
Swimming what? Swimming what? Baba.
In the water.
For what? For what?
Why do you swim?
What?
To take bath. Stop.
Baba's gonna go in there.
Yeah.
He's not calling anymore. Maybe he wants to play with others. Look! Look!
Not today.
Is it gonna come out here?
No.
What are you trying to do? Look! Look!